Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the much-awaited details of the MG, a super fun and eye-catching EV that's been making waves since its concept form was unveiled. Now that the production version has finally been revealed, let's unpack what this swanky roadster brings to the table. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first things first, the MG Cyberster's design screams supercar DNA, with sharp aerodynamic lines, a wide stance, and those eye-catching scissor doors. It's a clear nod to the classic MG Roadsters of the past, like the MGB, but reborn as a sleek, sexy EV for the modern era. This car is all about making a statement and turning heads wherever it goes. But it's not just about good looks. The design also serves up some serious functionality. Those butterfly doors, they're not just fancy, they actually help with aerodynamics and efficiency. And the low, sleek profile cuts through the air like a hot knife through butter, reducing drag and maximizing range. Now, let's step back and appreciate the overall vibe. The Cyberster is supposed to be a grand tourer, meaning it's built for both high-speed cruising and long journeys. The long hood and short deck give it a sporty, aggressive look, and the wide track and low center of gravity promise some serious cornering prowess. Plus, have you noticed how the lines flow and connect seamlessly? It's a testament to the hours and hours of wind tunnel testing that went into this design. Every curve and angle is carefully considered to create the ultimate driving experience. Now, let's talk about those signature MG round headlights. They've been modernized and turned into ultra-slim LEDs that sit proudly at the front end. They're not just functional, they're also mesmerizing. Just imagine the look on other drivers' faces as you zoom past them with your glowing cyber eyes. And let's not forget the bold front fascia. It's aggressive, it acts imposing, and it tells everyone around you that this is one of you do want to mess with. And then there's the convertible soft top design. This is where retro meets future. The soft top pays homage to the classic roadsters of the past, but the way it integrates into the overall design is pure cyberpunk. It's smooth, it's seamless, and it looks like it belongs on a spaceship. Now, you might be wondering about rear visibility with that sloping design? Well, the engineers have got you covered. There are cameras cleverly integrated into the rear end that give you a clear view of what's behind you. No blind spots, no awkward head turns, just pure driving pleasure. So whether you're cruising along the coast or tearing up the twisties, the MG Cyberster has you covered. Its design is not just a feast for the eyes. It's a testament to the brand's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what an electric sports car can be. Alright, so now that we've gold over the exterior, let us take a peek inside the MG Cyberster because the cabin is equally impressive. Step inside and you're greeted with an interior that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Forget about traditional gauge clusters and infotainment screens. The Cyberster takes a bold leap into the future with twin digital displays that seamlessly blend driver info and entertainment. It's like having two personal robots sitting right in front of you, dishing out vital stats and tunes on demand. The dash is clean and uncluttered with the two displays taking center stage. On the left, there's a curved screen that serves up all the essential driver info like speed, battery levels, and driving modes. It's bright, it's crisp, and it's totally customizable, so you can tailor it to your heart's content. Now, check out the right side. That's where the infotainment screen comes in. It's a glossy touchscreen that lets you control everything from climate settings to sound system to navigation. And guess what? It's all powered by the snazziest AI voice commands. Just say the word, and it'll do your bidding. Speaking of bling, the Cyberster doesn't hold back. There's a generous helping of premium leather, metallic trim, and ambient lighting that sets it apart from the usual EV fare. It's not just comfortable, it's downright luxurious. But the real magic happens when you fire up the startup sequence is straight out of a sci-fi flick, with the displays waking up one by one and the car doing a full health check before you hit the road. It's like having a loyal robot companion that's always ready for action. Now, let's talk tech, because the Cyberster is loaded with goodies that make it smarter than your average Joe. First off, it's got seamless 5G connectivity, so you're always online and plugged in. Need to send a quick message? No problem. The Cyberster has AI-powered voice commands that'll do it for you. Just say the magic words, and it'll take care of the rest. Worried about getting lost? Don't be. The Cyberster has AR navigation built in. It'll project directions right onto your windshield, so you can keep your eyes on the road at all times. Plus, there is a whole suite of driver assist features like lane keeping and adaptive cruise control to make your journey even smoother. Oh, and did I mention that there's a panoramic sunroof? Yeah, you heard me right. It's a massive glass panel that lets natural light pour in and gives you an unobstructed view of the night sky. Hey, if you're loving this video so far, show your support. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you awesome content. Alright? So now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the MG Cyberster's powertrain. This isn't just about looks. We want to know what's under the hood. Pun intended. So here's the lowdown. The Cyberster packs a punch with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that pumps out a jaw-dropping 536 horsepower equivalent. That's enough to send this sleek roadster from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Imagine the rush of silent acceleration as you merge onto the highway or zip through city streets. It's electrifying, to say the least. Now, let's talk torque. This is where the Cyberster really shines. With instant torque delivery, you'll feel glued to your seat as you accelerate. And don't worry about losing power when you switch to EV mode. This car doesn't compromise. It's got a whopping 680 Newton meters of torque on tap. Whether you're tackling steep hills or passing on the left lane, the Cyberster doesn't break a sweat. Let's not forget about the battery. MG claims an impressive 500 kilometers or 310 miles of range on a single charge. That's enough for a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway without needing to recharge. Plus, it supports ultra-fast DC charging, so you won't be tethered to a charging station for hours. In fact, you can go from 10% to 80% in just half an hour. Now, here's where the rubber meets the road. Literally, the Cyberster is all about delivering a thrilling driving experience, thanks to its lightweight chassis and adaptive suspension. This car dances through corners with ease. It's agile, it's responsive, and it's got that perfect weight distribution that makes it feel like it's glued to the road. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, carving through winding mountain roads, or hugging the corners on your favorite racetrack. The Cyberster doesn't disappoint. It's not just about raw power. It's about control and precision. You'll feel connected to the road like never before. And let's not forget about braking. The Cyberster has you covered with powerful disc brakes at all 4 wheels, bringing you to a quick and safe stop whenever you need it. Now, here's the icing on the cake. Pricing. While rivals like the Tesla Roadster and Porsche Taycan push 6-figure price tags, the MG Cyberster is expected to start around $55,000 to $65,000. That's a relative bargain considering the jaw-dropping performance and cutting-edge tech. So there you have it, folks. The MG Cyberster isn't just a car. It's a statement. A statement that the electric future is not only sustainable, but thrilling. It's a car that makes you feel alive, connected, and ready to take on the world. Thank you for watching, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you choose this Cyberster over the Tesla or Porsche? And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more electrifying content. Until next time, keep living on the edge and driving electric.